Hi, good afternoon, YouTuber, the air rifle fans. I bought this air rifle uh, couple months ago, and I would like to practice the new sights that I bought, and I'm using the bullets Barracuda, the point one. It's the point one, and then I got already a shot in there, a few shots in there, and I hit already the right spot. The one there, it's 25 meters. I forgot to take videos here because I'm worried about the people might see me. So that's why I keep hiding. So now I'm gonna take once. I try again because before is I just practicing, and I didn't put videos. So now I'm gonna take videos. Okay, I just hit one. Is this? Let's take a look. If I hit more, I hit the same spot of that I hit before. It's 25 meters for the 177 air rifles. Oh, where's that? Ah, yeah, it's hit again here. It's same spot. So that means it's okay. Yeah, it's the same spot here. Yeah, because before is the round is only here, and this one is getting. Oh, that's good. So thank you for watching. I'm going to try again. Let's see if it's in here. I'm going to try one more. I'm sure I hit it again because I heard